Hey, what's up guys, IMAT here, and in this video I'm gonna be showing you how to set the nonce generator value on your Checkm8 or Checkm8 compatible devices without jailbreaks. So first of all, if you're new here, then make sure to hit the subscribe button and help me grow my account, and also hit the thumbs up button if the video turns out to help you. So without any further delay, let's get right into it. So guys, this video is compatible with all of the Checkm8 and Checkm8 compatible devices, which means you can use it on all devices from iPhone 5s to iPhone 10, and it won't support any other device, which means it won't support iPhone 10s and higher. So first of all, open Safari, and here go to google.com. Here you will have to search remile.app. Open the first result, an open source multi-purpose macOS utility for Checkm8 vulnerable iOS iPadOS devices, which means it won't support other devices. So here scroll down and click on downloads. You will see the latest version here, version 1.1.0. Click on download and then click on allow in order to save it to your downloads folder. So the download is now ready. Open the DMG file. You can quit Safari now, and after that you will be shown this folder here. So drag the Remile app to the applications, and then you can quit Finder. Go to Launchpad and find your Remile app here. Open it. So Remile is an app downloaded from the internet. Are you sure you want to open it? Click on open, and here it needs to download some important files. Remile needs to download the following tools before it can run: image4 tool, image4 Fugu, and iPwnDFU. Click on download, and if you see this error, then follow this: quit Remile app and then open terminal. If you don't know where terminal is located, just go to Launchpad and go to other, and here you will see the terminal application. So after that, open terminal, and here you will have to write sudo mkdir, then a slash usr, then a slash again, write local, then a slash again, and then write bin. Press enter. Here you will have to enter your login password which you use to unlock your MacBook. So I've entered it. So you can see that the file exists. So after that you will again have to write sudo chown, then dash capital R, and then $sign, write capital user, then slash usr slash local, then a slash again, and then bin, and then press enter, and now it's done. After that you can quit terminal and then open the Remile app again. Now click on download, and this time it will successfully download all of the files. Here you can see. Then click on OK, and now you will have to connect your iPhone in DFU mode. So now let's put the device in DFU mode to connect it with Remile app. If you want to know how to put your device in DFU mode, you can find the link of it in the description box below. So let's go ahead and put it in DFU mode now. So the device has now entered DFU mode, and as you can see that Remile has also detected it. So after that, click on advanced, and here you will see set device app nonce. So you can also see the available SSH files. So you can see that it is checking at sshh.host and both TSS saver. So you can choose one of them and download the blobs. If you are just setting it to 0x16 times 1, then just click on set device app nonce. You can also drag your sshh file here. I'm gonna enter the generator, and then click on set app nonce. So you'll have to keep trying again and again, so keep clicking on one Checkm8. So now you can see successfully exploited device. Device is now ready to accept custom images. Click on OK. So now it is setting the generator value, so just wait for it. Here you can see setting generator and rebooting device. So now the generator value is set and the device has been rebooted to recovery mode. And now you can open Future Restore, select your blob file, target IPSW file and start the restoring process. So this is how easy it is to set your nonce generator value without being jailbroken. So if this video helped you out, then make sure to hit the subscribe button and the thumbs up button, and I will see you in the next one. Until next time, this is IMAT. Peace out.